Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka Okebu. If you're joining me for the first time, you're very much welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, of course you know I love you. In today's video, I'll be doing a mini haul. I got some dresses from a particular site. I was looking for something that could not necessarily replace, but something with good dresses, just the way we were buying from SHEIN and Club Factory. And as you know, we can no longer order from SHEIN. So I found this website, Organic, yeah, and I got some dresses from them. I don't know how good or how, I don't know. Either way, I also got an earring from them. I placed this order on the 24th of April. And this came in on the 28th of April. So these came in first. This is what it looks like. I'm going to also leave a picture on the screen. This was for 171 rupees. Well, given the price, it's fair enough. However, the material used in making this product seem of really low standard, but given the price, I think that could pass. 171 rupees. Yep. I also placed this on the 24th. Yeah. However, they didn't come in until today, and today is the 3rd of May. Yes, I'm just going to open this now. Yeah, so this is it. I have 4 dresses in here. I ordered 2 dresses in 2 different sizes. There is this in it with my name. I don't know, I thought maybe probably there'll be a letter in it like hi Chiamaka or something, but there is nothing in it. So I'm gonna start with this dress. That's this one. I'll leave the description in the description box. So this is, I think I'm gonna move backwards so that you can see. This is the dress. I don't know what I think about the material, but this is the dress. It has a belt also. This was for 1590 is what is written here. However, I think I got this for 1272. I got it on a discount. So I'm just gonna try this and we will see. Dress number 1. I don't know, I think it's actually nice, but it looks like a bridesmaid dress. It looks like a bridesmaid dress, like you could practically wear it for a wedding and someone could mistake you for one of the bridesmaids. Either way, I don't know what I think about the material, but it's pretty, that I know. Okay, let's go try dress number 2. So this dress is such a killer. Initially, I didn't like the material. But wearing it, I'm like, what? What? Like, what? So nice. This is an extra small. I guess that's why it's so clingy. But even if it's not this size, I wonder. I don't think any other size would be great and perfect for me. I think my so it's stretchy and it's has this ruffles in between. The back is plain. I think it's pretty. To the best of my knowledge, I think this is nice. This is 1,000 something something something. I'm going to leave the description. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen. So that's it, guys. I am going to try to return this product and see what the return looks like, some of the products, so that we can know how easy peasy is their return policy and all that, because that's all part of the purchase process. I'm going to return, I don't know yet which I'm going to return. Guys, so I'm back. I have been able to return some of the dresses. I bought 4, remember? So I took only one. That is the one in wine color, the extra small of it, because it really did fit. If you watched my video, my birthday lockdown video, you would see that I wore it for my birthday. I did not take the pink one because it really felt like a bridal train dress. I wouldn't want to go for a birthday party in Nigeria and then someone would mistake me for one of the bridesmaids, even though that's not a bad thing, yeah, but it looks too much of a bridesmaid dress to me. I don't know, do you think it was nice? Let me know in the comment section. So I returned it. I wanted us to try what their return policy would look like if it was easy, but when I placed the return order, the delivery company kept postponing. They would come pick up, they would come pick up. So the guy didn't show up, and then there was a lockdown, right? Now he couldn't come pick up. I had to keep sending mails because the lockdown starts at 10 a.m. in the morning, which means he can come pick up between 6 to 10, right? So I had to keep sending mails to Urbanic, updating them that this is what is happening. Could they please help me talk to the delivery company to come pick up? Finally, it took over 3 weeks. Then I think the lockdown was lifted or something. I don't know. Anyway, the guy came to pick up. He collected the dress, and then I didn't see my money for a while. I had to send an email to them again, telling them that it's past 10 days because their policy states you get a refund between 7 days, right? So after, if the supplier confirms that the dress is in good condition, if it was received in good condition. So I allowed it for 10 days. I didn't get anything. So I sent them an email explaining to them that I haven't received a refund. And they got back to me saying that, asking if I filled my details while I was placing a return order. I told them that yes, I did fill my bank details during the process for all the dresses because I returned 3. And they were like, oh, we cannot find your details. Kindly fill out this form, blah, blah, blah. So I filled out the form and I don't even know when they refunded. I think they refunded like 2 weeks ago, because when the money came in, I was like, what's this money for? Then it just occurred to me that would be organic, right? So yeah, it really took a while. So we really can't say because of the pandemic. However, I have some people who have bought from them and had to return. They faced a lot of issues while trying to return and get a refund, but mine I can't say. So I would just suggest, if you buy from them and you're going to return, they are very active when it comes to their emails and on the app, so I don't think it should be so much of a hustle. Yeah, so you can buy from them. They have really nice dresses, really nice dresses. At least I'm enjoying my burgundy. Is that burgundy or wine color? I don't know, but at least I'm enjoying it, like really enjoying it. So let me know, would you be trying this store? Is there any other store that's an alternative to SHEIN and Club Factory? Because SHEIN doesn't ship to India anymore, neither does Club Factory. So everybody's looking for an alternative where you can get really affordable dresses that are really super cute and nice and all girly and all that. Urbanic isn't so, it's not as affordable as SHEIN. Nika would be another option, but Nika isn't necessarily as affordable as SHEIN was, and you really get better dresses on SHEIN than you would on Nika. Sorry, my hair is a mess. I just came to film this last part of the video so I can end the video and upload it today. Yes. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about the dresses. Were they beautiful? Would you be trying out Urbanic anytime soon? Do let me know in the comment section. My name is Chiamaka. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.